The cardinal tetra is one of the most well-known aquarium fish. They're the world's most in-demand Amazonian ornamental fish, accounting for almost 80% of the total fish export from Amazonas, a state in Brazil. These tetras are very popular among fish hobbyists for their peaceful nature and striking looks. This is not a species that does well in a newly started aquarium. The ideal pH is below 6, and the hardness should not be above 4 dGH, subjecting the species to water that has a high mineral content is a recipe for poor health and shortened lifespans.